I really love my hair. Like, it's really effortless. It's very beautiful to me. To me, it's very grand. It's elegant. It's all the above. It's like black excellence and all the sugar, spice, and everything nice that women are made of. It's like, I don't know. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love.
My heart's in the sky, supernova.
What is up, Nova Nation? My name is Vana SUPERNOVA, and for those of you who are new here, hi, welcome to my channel. And for those who are coming back, welcome back. So today I want to discuss months 3 and 4 of my lock journey. As you can tell, your girl is locked up, sister locked up, locked and loaded. If you haven't seen my original sister lock video, I'm gonna go ahead and link it up above and in the description box below so you can check that out. Also, by now I should have my first 2 months, months 1 and 2 up. So I will also link those as well so you can check that out so you can follow the progression of my lock journey. So essentially month 3 and month 4 of my lock journey. This is really when my locks have transformed on me. When I say transform, I wish it was down. Matter of fact, if you look at my keto pizza video and if you look at some of my more recent videos, you'll be able to tell what I'm about to tell you. But my locks really did change. Like, they kind of swelled up a little bit and got a little longer. I don't know, it's hot girl summer, but literally my hair grew so much this summer, like no kidding. Like, to me at least, it got so much thicker. My locks used to be mad thin, and I'll show you a picture right here of how my locks look compared to now. Now they're much thicker. I am in love, y'all. Like, whew, I really love my hair. Like, it's really effortless. It's very beautiful to me. To me, it's very grand. It's elegant. It's all the above. It's like black excellence and all the sugar, spice, and everything nice that women are made of. It's like, I don't know. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'll say the most difficult point of month 3 was, overcoming my locks coming loose in the back. That was like month 3. I was redeeming myself, because month 2, it was willy-nilly. Anytime I washed my hair, even if I braided and banded to the gods, for some reason it would just get so loose in the back. And I guess that's expected the first couple of months or whatever, but no, it was like crazy. But I redeemed myself month 3, so that was like the challenge I overcame, or the big challenge of month 3. The best part of month 3, I'll say, is seeing the locks transform. That's when I started noticing the thickening. And month 4, I should say, is when I noticed the growth of it getting longer. That's when I was like, oh, it's much longer than it was previously. I'll say the hardest part of month 4 so far is, I want to say, like, in the back, this last lock or whatever. I don't know, when she was like retightening my hair, I felt like she saw some buildup or something. So I'm thinking that might be the situation going on back there. I forgot to ask her about it, but I don't know. Aside from that, nothing really. Month 4, I'm just watching my hair thrive. I mean, I will say that around month 3, I noticed my hair not just being so intertwined into each other. I had a lot of little pieces like sticking out whichever way. I sleep with nothing on my head. I sleep on satin sheets and a satin pillowcase. So my hair is pretty much just how it is. When I wake up, it's just how it is. So I'm gonna say maybe that's the reason. Maybe people who actually wrap their hair in a satin cap or whatever the case is. My interloctician actually gave me one of those. She gave me like the satin stocking or whatever, and I'm just like, I'm rebellious. Yeah, I like to break the rules, okay? I live life on the edge. That's what I like to do. And I just sleep on my satin pillowcase. It doesn't bother me that my hair, you know, has like a frizzier look or whatever you want to call it, whatever. I don't know if it would have looked different had I did it otherwise, but it doesn't bother me regardless. I actually like it. Maybe that is a reason as to why it looks thicker, because I don't know. And also what I noticed during month 3/4 is that my hair, not all my hair grows into a lock. Usually, I guess when your hair grows out, it's attached to that lock, so it like kind of like grows into that lock. Some of my hair strands are literally just like growing out of a lock and just like loose natural hair, and I'm like, well, that's different. So like my loctician said, when I wash my hair, I have to make sure I separate each one, and after I wash it, to make sure that, you know, I'm not getting any tangles or anything going on. My ends are still, hold on, let me show you. My ends are still kind of curly. You can still see the texture in my ends. And I like that. I like the fact that my ends are kind of doing their own thing. I like that my locks don't look like anybody else's. I like the uniqueness of my hair. I love everything about my Sisterlocks. I don't regret anything. If I could go back and change anything about months 3 and 4, literally, I would probably change nothing. Maybe I would change my braiding and banding method around month 2 to like add more bands, or maybe add a band around the perimeter or something. I don't know, something to prevent the loosening or whatever, because I think that was probably like one of the major cons. But aside from that, nothing. I love my hair. I love exactly how it looks. Regimen wise, during months 3 and 4, all I've been doing is washing about once a week, once every 2 weeks, one of the two, depending on how much I sweat, because I kind of do, since I do light physical activity, I try to wash it at least once a week. Aside from that, I don't do anything. I use the Sisterlocks shampoo. I braid and band, wash my hair, and then I take it out. I don't sleep in a braid out or do any of that fancy stuff. I just literally let my hair do its thing. I let it air dry, and then it's good to go. It's soft, it's fluffy, it's full. It's even better than before. Every time I wash my hair, I feel like it gets that much better. Like it gets better and better and better every time I wash it. So wash days for me, it sucks because I hate braiding and banding. I'm like lazy as shit when it comes to that, but I love the results of it. So it's something that I continue to plan on implementing in my regimen. So aside from that, do I want to explore any new products or any new like ventures as far as my log journey goes? No, not really. I have no desire right now to use like foam wraps and oils and stuff in my locks. I don't see the necessity. I mean, as you can see, I do styles sometimes. My loctician actually did the style for me. It's literally just like, I think these are twists right here, and then in the back it's like she did this weaving type of, I don't know, she did this kind of weaving pattern or whatever, and it's really nice. I love it. So yeah, that's what I do. I get my hair retightened around 4 to 6 weeks, and every time I go for the retightening, almost every time she does like a different style for me. So that's essentially the fun I have with my hair. This I'll leave it in for the week or a week and a half or something, and then we'll move on. Right now I still haven't fully hit shoulder length. I'm still like above shoulder length, clearly, right? I'm like neck length or whatever. So that is the length check, I guess. I'll leave a picture as well so you can see what I'm talking about. But aside from that, there's nothing else that's new. If you have any questions, you can leave some questions in the comment section below and I'll respond to them. If you have anything specific you'd like for me to discuss, I am open to that as well. I do thank you for joining me today in this video. And if you enjoyed it here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss a thing. I will see you in the next video.